Cable operators are deploying more fiber than ever, which means proper fiber cleanliness is becoming more important as well. I'm here in the booth of Sticklers at SCTE Cable Tech Expo talking to Rick Hoffman, Commercial Sales Manager. The company has recently announced a new product in this area. Rick, tell us about the new product.
Well, first, thanks, Steve. The new product's called the Sticklers Pro360, and it's a game-changing cleaning device for fiber optic connectors. What's cool about it is that it actually cleans a number of different size connectors overall in one. Typically, in the past, people use clickers, and there's one size of a clicker to one size of a connector, and now we have the ability to do multiple size all in one unit.
And what in particular is unique about the product? Is it what you just mentioned?
That's part of it. What's unique is the multiple size capability, the fact that it can do 360-degree full clean on the end face itself, which is also unique because most times in the clickers they only do the core regions and that's it. 360 clean means that any type of residue or contamination from the outer edges, potentially that could actually vibrate into the core region, would be eliminated because we'll be cleaning it all at once. And the other one is we have a solvent cartridge, so it's basically a touchless cleaning system. So it's an air, fluid, air system. Doesn't touch the end face, therefore it won't scratch or create any static. And that's big in the overall in this business itself. So with 2,700 cleans per cartridge, it adds a lot.
And so in addition to cable operators, what other markets might be interested in a cleaning solution like this?
Well, the cable guys for sure are going to be using this because when they get out fiber to the phone, fiber to the antenna type applications, that's perfect. But really, it's for all fiber connection applications overall. So you have military going into planes, you have US Navy going into the ships, you have data centers, head-end locations, all of that with its fiber locations is a big important piece for this product.
Thank you very much, Rick. So fiber optic networks are only as effective as the cleanliness of the cables on which they're based. Unfortunately, technology like the one just described is helping to ensure high fiber performance. For BTR, I'm Stephen Hardy.